fish is done, shrimp is done, corn, yams, and scallop are cooking. They weren't done, so I had to put them on the stove. Everything done. I'm gonna make me a plate. Put my taters. My taters. What's the matter, boy? Square plates. They only got one round plate over there. 6 plates, 6. Do I need those? Andrew, the first one right here, is this a good one? Come on, you're supposed to come out. There you go. All right, y'all, I think I got it looking like I want it to look so far. The stand looks good. Let's look at the up there. And a little, what's the name on there? I'm gonna put the garbage can right there. And then I got baker's rack full with all my appliances. My spoons and knives, the coffee pot, the, what is that? Slow cooker, mixer, air fryer, and microwave and toaster. My teas up there, oils, mixing spoons. And then I got my little skillets and stuff in the niche. And I got my little pots right here. I am loving how it looks. I'm serious. That's all. Straighten up. I think I'm going to put this over here. Roses in there. Add to that. Or should I put my white on? Should I put my white ones in here? Let me see if this thing still works. I ain't getting this so long. There it is, y'all. Ooh, that thing dirty. Sweating so much. These are gonna do because I'm just adding to it. I love it, y'all. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm in heaven. I am in heaven right now. That is so good. That's so good. They have it up here, honey. Look at that. I love it. Taking that machine back because I'm not paying $500. Like, I paid how much for this? Look. Quick plan. It looks so good. I put the table back on this side. My new stool. I'm gonna get another one of these. And I got my table set up so pretty. I love it. I brought my lamp out of the bathroom. And yeah. And y'all got that just in the middle. And it looked so cute with that right there.